How to apply an effect to all of the clips on the timeline of Vegas Pro version 16. To apply an effect we need this toolbar. If this toolbar is not here, then simply right click the video and show toolbar. Okay, and on this one select this FX button, video output FX, and choose your selection, let's say brightness and contrast. Click the add button, here's the brightness and contrast, and OK. Now make a modification. Now I will increase it visibly to the extremes and close it with OK. And that effect was added to all of the clips on the timeline. Let's go back to the FX button, and this time it's green because it contains an effect. You can modify the effect from here. You can add another effect from this green FX button. Let's say vibrance, add. Now we have two effects added, and close it with OK. You can modify that one also with these sliders. You can click on another one and do another modification. Okay, and you can remove one of them with that red FX button. So that is selected because it's blue, remove it. That is selected and remove it. So that's how to add or remove effects from all of the clips on the timeline of Vegas Pro version 16.